me the box, drop me the box. Okay, so we got an XBAND video game modem, and there's a small tear here. And Sean, if you're watching this, looks like it's 1995 all over again. Yep, yeah, money down the drain right there.
There's about 30 bucks.
It's 30 bucks of damage at least. This side looks like it might already be a little open. I'm gonna go ahead and put my man hungry fingers in there and look in the box. That's what the box looks like. It's in the box. Take it out. Oh, that's one reason we wanted it in the box. Perfectly pristine manual.
The instructions.
Never been used. This is registration crap. I'm not playing video game reviews. I don't care about that crap. But they're there. Then, hardware. So now we're about to go boxless. We're down to the main deal. And just coming out of the box, I'll set her back on the plastic just to be nice to her. Oh, look at that. Brand new. Wait a minute. Ooh, yeah, still got a nice plastic smell. And that's brand new. Hasn't seen the light of day since it was boxed in 1995.